Hayden Locksmith. Trusted security services for Hayden ID families. Hayden, Idaho combines small-town charm with easy access to Coeur d'Alene's amenities and Spokane's employment opportunities. This desirable location attracts families seeking quality schools and community connections, but home security remains essential. River City Lock and Key provides professional locksmith services throughout Hayden. Family-focused security solutions. Hayden's family-oriented community deserves security solutions that protect what matters most. We help families upgrade locks when moving into new homes, install high-security deadbolts that resist forced entry, and create master key systems for homes with teenage drivers who need garage access but not full house entry. Many Hayden homes have multiple entry points, front and back doors, garage entries, and slider access to decks or patios. We assess all access points, identifying security weaknesses and recommending appropriate upgrades. Strong locks on your front door mean little if back doors or sliding glass doors have inadequate security. Visit the link in the description below for more information.